What's being described as an emerging scandal at the Jamaica Urban Transit Company, JUTC.
Michael Phillips says a state-run bus company awarded a contract valuing over $50 million to Millennium Security Limited, MSL. He said the brother of a JUTC board member has an interest in that company.
But in a quick response, the JUTC says there is no current contract with MSL. TVJ's Andrea Chisholm explains.
According to the opposition spokesman on transport, the company at the center of the controversy provides a multiplicity of services. Things such as property loss, recovery and damage assessment, accident and incident investigation, disciplinary hearings for workers, as well as security at JUTC depots and their properties. Michael Phillips says the JUTC didn't follow procurement rules but orchestrated the awarding of a contract to Millennium Security Limited, MSL.
The opposition has asked for the resignation of the managing director and the board of the JUTC. We have asked the contractor general to do a fulsome investigation, and the truth will then be determined on if any criminal charges should be laid at the JUTC board or the company in question.
Plus, Mr. Phillips says the brother of a JUTC board member has an interest in MSL, so he views the more than $50 million contract as nepotism. Mr. Phillips also claims the company was paid a deposit for the first year of the contract, so he wants to know if it has the required number of staff, expertise and track record to do the job as outlined in the terms of reference. But in a quick response, the JUTC countered the argument, calling it mischief, saying there is no current contract with Millennium Security Limited, MSL. The JUTC board said it reviewed a proposal by the company and gave the management permission to engage MSL's services under a 6-month pilot project. During those discussions, one JUTC director, Clement Ellington, recused himself. But while the JUTC was making in-house preparations for the contract, they observed that the value of the services required competitive tender. The JUTC says the internal process was stopped, and on October 21 and 24, newspaper advertisements invited persons to submit bids. There was, however, a temporary pilot agreement with MSL to provide additional security to protect spare parts. That arrangement came to an end on September 20. The JUTC adds that a contract for additional security services has been put to tender. Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.